Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can get a free SSL for your WordPress website. Simply you can go here and type SSL for free. And now here you can go on sslforfree.com as well as here you can see 0ssl.com. So you can go and create a free account to get a free SSL. So just you need to add your website name. For example, here I need to add my domain name enablebusinessmarket.com. Then click here create a free SSL, and here you need to add your email, then add password, so make sure that you are using a strong password. Then after that click here the button register. So guys, here you can see account is created. Scroll down and here you can check email verification link. If you get that, so now click here next step, and here you can get 90 days free SSL certificate. And if you want to get SSL for 1 year, then you need to upgrade your subscription. So just I need to select 90-day certificate, then click here next step, and here you can enable these options. Then again click here next step, then again next, scroll down. So here you can see these are the packages. So just we need to go here with a free package. Let me scroll down, then click here next. Now scroll down. Here you can see you will get multiple options. So you need to perform your domain verification. So you have three methods and I want to use third method. So I need to upload this file in web hosting in file manager. So let me download this file, and here you can see this one will be a directory link. So I need to go in my web hosting account, and after that let me show you how it works. So here you can see I'm using HostGator web hosting. Scroll down and here you can find out file manager. Then here you can see I have multiple websites in my web hosting package. So I need to select this website, and here you can see this one, well known. After that, now here I need to add a new folder. Just you can go here, click new folder, and then you can add a name. Alright, new folder is added. Just you can go and then upload that file that you have downloaded. This one. Then go back. Alright, file is uploaded. Now let's go back and click here next. Then click on the verify domain. So guys, here you can see domain is verified. Now we need to download the certificate and we need to install that certificate in the cPanel. So now here you can see certificate is generated. Now here we can download that certificate in a zip file. Then we can extract zip file. So you can extract with any extraction software. I'm using WinRAR. Then you can open these files. So to open this type of files, just you can go and type view CRT file online. So you can upload files here. And let me select. First of all, I need to upload CRT file. So now I can copy this text, and after that let me go back in cPanel, and here you can search for SSL. Scroll down and here you can see these are multiple options on the right side. So now you can select one of these. Let me select this one, third option. And here you can see these are the current SSL certificates. Let me scroll down. And here you can see I can just upload that file. This one. And click here upload.